And hello guys, I'm going to make a quick and easy tutorial for you guys to show you how to use Trello. So first guys, we have to create an account. So we gotta click on get Trello for free. So now we're going to wait a few seconds for us to be redirected to the main site. So now we can sign up with our email or continue with Google, Microsoft, Apple or Slack. If you have an Atlassian account already logged in, so I'm gonna click Google because it's going to be easier for me, and I'm going to choose an account. After that, I'm going to be redirected to the Trello site. Here guys, I think that before you're being redirected, because I already have an account, a Trello account, you are being given the option to choose your name, choose your obligation, choose like your environment. It may be school, it may be a work environment, it may be a personal environment, but you can choose it. And you're being given the options to create tables. Like you can see these are the tables that I have made, and the table I made are when, how, and how much people, because the task I have made is house cleaning. So house cleaning, my first table is when, my second is how, and my third is how much people. So we can add another list, we can add another cards, and we can filter it. Like we can filter it to the labels, to the green labels, to yellow, and to orange. We can also share the board to other people to join in. We can also make it into a table like this, or other things like calendar, timeline, map may be a little bit more complicated, but yeah guys, you can see that right now we're in New York. Here is Brooklyn, it may be here. We can add a card here. Brooklyn sees sighting, and we can search on Google Maps like Brooklyn. Here it is, yeah, list one. Here it is guys, and after that, when we go to the board, we can see Brooklyn Sea sighting, and we can see the location guys. You can see here that it is in Brooklyn Sea sighting, and we can add description like when, we can say February the 13th. And yeah guys, so we can also see other things like workspaces, the recent things that have happened, what things where we have start, and templates. There are many templates here, and we can also explore and see for other templates. We can also create a board, workspace view, template, or create a general workspace. The thing that I want to find for you guys is the paid plans for you guys to see. I think that this can be seen here. Let's see right here. Here it is guys. So you can see that there is a Trello standard and Trello premium. So the we can see that Trello standard is $5 a month, and Trello premium is $10 a month. We can compare them right here and see that the premium plan has much more perks than the standard, and the free has these things. The standard has the free things plus these, and we also have enterprise, which is depending on the amount of users you have. Like if it is 534, it will be 15 and 85 US dollars a month. But for that you have to contact the sales. And yeah guys, I'll also show you how you can change and manage your account. Like if you'd like, you can like change your name. You can set for who you can see this. Peter, like you can see my full name is Peter, my public name is Peter, my job title can be boss, but also you can also set your job title as an employee or whatever you'd like. You can change your department or organization. You can set where you are based in or choose your local time. And I think that this was quite a good explanation for you guys. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you around, guys. Peace.